My name is Marina Nicola, and we hired Las Vegas Remodel and Construction to recreate and remodel our kitchen and bath. We had a great experience working with Las Vegas Remodel and Construction. They made it so easy. When you're remodeling a house, there's all these different types of people that you need to call: the plumbers, the electricians, the cabinet, construction and what have you. And we didn't have to do any of that. It was just one person, one contact, very easy, and we were thrilled with the end product. For anyone else who is looking to remodel their kitchen or their bath, or really any part of their house, we highly recommend Las Vegas Remodel and Construction.